So, good day, everyone. I'm Sandarj in our campus, and today I will be presenting my per documents and reflection on the three event driven programming project that we work on as part of our midterm examination. So, the three presentations I selected is first is the clinic management system reception dashboard. So second, the job portal system admin dashboard. And third is alumni system admin dashboard. So in this presentation, I go through each project and I explain each design, its functionalities, and the event-driven programming concept it applies. Finally, reflect on what I learned from them. So my goal here is not just to describe the project, but to highlight the how event-driven programming brings this system to life. So day one, so ang akong ikuan present sa una is Clinic Management System Reception Dashboard. So, let's begin the Clinic Management System Reception Dashboard. So, presented by Jasmine Timbal. So, project overview. The This project is a Java AWT based graphical user interface. So specifically, the design for reception is a clinic. Receptions play an important role. They handle patient appointment, process payment, and keep records organized. So this system mirrors that workflow. It has three major tasks. So we have adding appointment. Next, add payments, and last is view records. Hmm. For example, if patients walks in the reception can quickly book them with a doctor or log their payment and review all records without switching to another system. So next, Java AWT components. To achieve this, the project use multiple Java AW components. So first, we have FreeMax as the main application windows. And next, panels organized module, appointments, payments, and records. And next, buttons are used to navigation and action like save, record, or log out. And next, labels. And text fields capture patients, names, dates, and times. Next, I choose component to provide a doctor selection drop down. So, a checkbox lets us mark if a patient is first time. So, I list display all appointment and payment record. So, finally, dialog appear for confirmation or warning. By combining this, the interface is simple yet powerful enough to handle daily reception tasks. So next, GUI layout. So the GUI use now layout with a manual positioning through set bounds. On the left side, there are sidebar with a navigation buttons, each given a distinct colors. So So blue for appointment, and green for payments, orange for records, and red for logout. On the right side, we have the main panels for content, each with its own background tone to separate tasks visually. So this thoughtful design ensures that receptions won't get confused between modules. Fonts and colors are consistent, which improves reliability. So next, events and functionalities. This system makes full use of event-driven programming. So first, we have action listener, handle buttons, click for switching panels, savings or logging out. Next, item listener. So they manage that checkbox to detect if it's a first time patient. Next, key listener. Validate, nominate, numeric, or input for payments, preventing a mistake. And the last is key listener. Key listener is to validate the numeric input for payments, preventing a mistake. So in short, the system doesn't just look organized, it responds intelligently to user action. So, oh, before that, my reflection of this system is for me this project was impressive because it's connect directly to a real world scenario. It show how event driven programming through Java AWT can improve efficiency and a clinic settings. So my data is job portal system. So job portal system. Uh, let's look at the job portal system presented by AJ Manganimba. So project overview. This system is another Java AWT desktop application, but it's built for job administrators. It has a Paint theme interface and support for main modules. A login panel for secure admin access, and dashboard showing profile information and quick starts, and a user management module for register and viewing user and job posting with search as a filter function. So this design support both security and usability. So we have a login page, dashboard, user management, job posting, and Java AWT complement components. So the components include frame for the main windows, panels managed by card layout to switch between a login, user, and jobs. So next, buttons to for login register, filter, and navigation. Next, label for instruction and stats. And next, text fields for user names, passwords, and job queries. Next, choose drop down for job type filtering. So, next, list to display user and job posting. And the last is dialog for confirmation or validation. So, you can see how card layout keeps things net Admin can switch view without clutter. Next, GUI layout. The interface starts with a top navigation bar in a pink showing the title and navigation. So, okay. The login panel is simple and centered. The dashboard highlight admin profiles and quickly statics and card-like panels and the user module. There's form on the left and the list for of user on the right for the job and search bar filter drop down and list of uh, job provide efficiency. It's very user friendly layout, especially for admin managing multiple records. So next, events and functionalities. So event-driven programming shines here too. So first, action listener. Handle login attempts user registration and job posting action. Next, item listener. Filter job by the type. And the last is key listener. Allow to pressing enter to immediately trigger a job search. So the design ensures smooth interactivity with minimal effort. For my reflection of this system is what I like the most is here is the use of card layout, which keeps the interface modular. It demonstrates how we can structure complex admin system while keeping navigation simple. So day three is alumni system. Lastly, we have alumni system presented by Shandiling Havana. So next, the project overview. So the project overview, this admin dashboard manage alumni companies, events, and job posting. It focus on record keeping, making sure alumni and company data is easy to add and edit or delete. The modules are the home panel, the alumni module, and the company module. That is. So next we have a Java AWT components of alumni system. So the Java AWT components, the project makes use of frame for the dashboard, panels with card layout to switch module, grade layout, and borderly layout to organize form and list. Next, label and text field for alumni or company input. Next is button. Button for add, edit, delete, save, or log out. Next is scroll pane. Scroll pane for scrolling through long records, and the last is dialog for editing and confirmation. Next, so we have a GUI layout. The left sidebar allows the navigation across home, alumni, company jobs, and user. The top bar highlight the admin dashboard. In the home panel, alumni overview and event are shown. In the alumni company module, appears at the top while a scrollable list with a edit, delete buttons appear below. So this ensures that even if the data grow large, the interface stay manageable. So Next, event and functionalities. So this system users, we have a action listener, dialogue action and validation, and lastly, scroll functionality. So action listeners for navigation and crowd action, validation to prevent MP field, dialogue, and the lastly is dialogue for edit and confirmation, and scrolling for a smooth handling or of records. It's practical it's innovative. And this is my reflection of this system. I admire how this system balance design clarify and functionality using a layout like grid layout help make that interface net. So you can see we have a home, add company, add alumni. So before I end this uh video, so the clinic dashboard showcase how a reception can manage patients and payment efficiently. And next, the job portal system demonstrates structures admin works, flows within secure login, user management, and job posting. And last is the alumni system show how records managed can be both practical and user friendly. So thank you for watching. All of these projects highlight the strength of event-driven programming with the Java AWT from handling buttons click to validating user input. They show how interactively it's brought into a real world system. Personally, I'm working with reflecting on this system deep, deep, deepened my understanding AWT components, layout, and event listener. So it made me realize how important this design and user experience on our system development. So thank you for watching and thank you so much for listening. Mauro to guys!